Alexander Seyfarth from Brucker AXS, and he's going to show us their S4 Tracer Geo handheld XRF analyzer.
Thank you very much, Cameron. So this is the new Tracer 4 Geo, the newest member of the Tracer family, which now features a 30 square millimeter X-flash silicon drift detector. And this system is specifically designed for the geoscience community. Actually, we have developed it together with universities and geological surveys for their specific needs. The Tracer 4 Geo fills a definite opening, which means that instead of using a factory calibration, the unit is equipped with our S-Spectra EDX software, which allows the people, the users, to make their own calibrations and modify every factory calibration which we provide for them. All factory calibrations from our handheld S1 series are available on this unit as well. In addition, we adapted our GeoQuant calibration from our benchtop systems and our floor standing systems to the Tracer, so that we now have a GeoQuant mobile application which allows you to measure under air majors and minors. So the Tracer 4 Geo comes pre-calibrated with the GeoQuant, which allows you to measure that, and it comes with the software. To give you a quick demonstration on how it works.
And what's this sample, Alexander?
That's a sediment sample, stream sediment. So it's not really a soil, it's something out of a river. Mostly silicatic, some aluminum, none of the funky trace elements you would normally expect. Typical geological sample.
Right.
And there we basically go. Now, in addition to that, the unit can also be used on a benchtop stand. And that means we cannot just use it with a PDA, because in order to do spectral interpretation, the PDA is not the best place of it. So you can actually move it onto a stand, which is included with the equipment, and then on the stand use it as a benchtop unit. Now that can be done either with the PDA, or much nicer, because of the large screen, we can use a computer which is equipped with our software on it, and that then allows the direct acquisition of data from a sample, and not only that, but it allows also the full control of the unit in terms of kVs and microamps, as well as the different filter settings. The measurement then can be ID'd, and we can actually apply the calibrations on which we have on the computer also in this mode. With an additional software, which is the Spectra software, we can also perform deconvolution, and this Spectra software is freely distributable, which means that you can use it for your students, and you can also use it for projects in order to treat the data.
Alexander, could you tell us what elemental range does the Tracer 4 Geo have?
The Tracer 4 Geo can measure elements from magnesium down to uranium, and it actually can measure the magnesium already under air, but the data can be improved by using the proprietary Brucker NASA vacuum technology with a portable vacuum pump to increase the signal for magnesium and aluminum and silicon further.
And so it's fine also measuring all the heavy elements?
It's fine to measure, for sure, also the heavy elements. The heavy elements are really good to measure as well. They are not affected by any atmosphere or any other disturbance.